Getting Cipron. In today's video, I will show you how to hide Discord servers. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, I am going into Discord application on my computer, and now when I am on my Discord application on my computer, then what I need to do is to come to this page right here, and then you will be able to see all of your servers in here, as you can see. And you need to do now is to just find the server that you want to actually hide. So I'm going to take this one right here just to demonstrate. So I'm going to click here, right, and as you can see, we are now taken to this page right here. What I need to do now is to actually I'm going to right click on this right here. So right click, and as you can see, you get a couple of options in here. What I need to do is to actually click on the mute server, and as you can see, you are able to mute the server for 15 minutes and so on. You can see there is a couple of alternatives in here, but let's say that you want to mute it forever, then just click it right here until I turn it back on basically. So this is actually how to do so. So this is the way how you can hide Discord servers. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.